This is a filtered shower head with handheld high pressure water flow and multiple sprayer modes. This is the new era of showering, chlorine-free, pure, and healthy. It improves water quality by effectively removing impurities for cleaner shower water. It reduces harmful substances by lowering chlorine and chemicals, preventing dry skin and allergies. And it also protects the skin and hair by nourishing the skin and hair for a healthier shower experience. There are 3 different modes: the spray mode, rainfall, and mix mode. If you're interested in purchasing this product, please click the link down below.